you've explained it, how I should prove myself to you. But I can't when I'm with you. I need to laugh again, but I can't when I'm with you. I need to find my way by myself. I cannot wait until you hear my story. I cannot wait until I burst. If I could have a day without no worries, maybe I'd figure out a way to stay. Didn't I put you first? Didn't I reassure you? Did you ever do those things for me? I don't mind complicated, but the line is crossed. I'm waiting for a sincere apology. But you can't when you're with me. You need to find a way, but you can't when you're with me.
Hey guys, happy Monday. I hope y'all are having a good day so far. Or I guess whatever day you're watching this, it should be a Monday. I think it'll be a Monday, but we'll see. Today I'm going to take you guys along with me. It is Monday, like I said, which is my reset day. And I really need to reset this house because we had Hunter's party over the weekend on Saturday. And then yesterday, that is Dalton playing with the little drum set that Hunter got for his birthday. So please ignore that. Hunter's trying to nap, so hopefully it doesn't wake him up. But, what was I saying? Oh, after the party on Saturday, I did get like a lot of the dishes cleaned and everything, and like the floors mopped and stuff, but I haven't been able to put all of the party stuff away yet, so it's all over my kitchen counter still, which stresses me out. But I didn't have time to do it yesterday because we went swimming at my in-laws house, and then after that we went to my niece's softball game, and then when we got home we just did dinner, bath, and bedtime. I showered and then edited my video and went right to sleep. So this morning, I think it's like 10 o'clock now, as you saw, I made the kids breakfast. We've been playing. I have a ton of party stuff I need to get put away. All of Hunter's new toys, I need to find a home for them. We haven't even opened all of them yet. But I just struggle with toy storage because our house is small. And I also don't like a lot of color in the living room. Like, I feel like baby toys are just all like bright green and yellow and red, and I'm just like not a fan, y'all. It really, like, a lot of color like really stresses me out. But I know it's just a stage of life and I just need to deal with it for now. But I am gonna find some kind of solution for that. Hold on one second. Dalton, stop. Hunter's trying to sleep, baby. That's really loud. Hey, please stop for right now. It's really loud. Do it quietly. Okay. But yeah, so that is my plan today. I do have to go to the dump. I feel like I always say that in one of my videos, but I have to go to the dump like twice a week, usually Monday and Friday, because we don't have trash pickup, and just to make sure that we don't have an overabundance amount of trash, especially in the summertime because it stinks. And I also want to try and get some groceries. So anyone else's kids eating them out of snacks like so quickly. Like, I usually only have to go grocery shopping every Tuesday, but I went multiple times to like just get snacks because the kids are always, there's no snacks in this house, there's no food in this house. I'm just like, man, give it a break. I did make a snack schedule and we do try to stick to that, but they still complain about the snacks that I have. So I'm gonna try to do that. I did meal plan last week. I think you saw it last Monday. But honestly, we ain't nothing off that meal plan because we are so busy with like party prep and just summer stuff that we have to do. So I'm gonna leave that same meal prep. So we have most of the meals already here that I've prepped for that. So I don't need to get a ton of groceries, but I do need to stock up on like snacks and fruit and produce and stuff like that. So that's my plan for today. I hope you guys enjoy hanging out with me today and you feel like you're hanging out with a mom friend. If you're new around here, hit that subscribe button down below and join my little YouTube fam. I upload 2 videos a week. As always, lifestyle, motherhood, real life, mom life, day in the life videos. Mainly focus on mom life. My kids will pop in and out here and there, but it is mainly focused on my life and as a stay-at-home mom to 4 kiddos. But yeah, let's get on into the video. Okay, so this is what we're working with out here in the living room. Toys everywhere. Brayden, honey's trying to sleep, okay? So not so loud. Balloons everywhere. This stuff is still up. I think I'm gonna leave that up for a little bit, maybe like till 4th of July. I don't know. Breakfast all over the floor and the table. All right, and then this is all clean stuff that I need to put away from the party. I need to go outside and get my party bins and put them in there. Boys, please quiet down a little bit. The baby is trying to sleep. Dishes in the sink. I also got a new nugget ice maker from my sister-in-law. She didn't want it anymore, so she gave it to me, and I need to read the manual and get it hooked up because I'm really excited about that. My husband, not so much, but he'll warm up to the idea. But I'm gonna clean up all of the breakfast stuff first, and then I'm gonna start putting the party stuff away.
It's just not me. I cannot wait until you hear my story. I cannot wait until I burst. If I could have a day without no worries, maybe I'd figure out a way to stay. Didn't I wait for you, yeah? Didn't I say I'm sorry? Didn't I do the best I could? You have high expectations. Oh, I know that you've explained it. How I should prove myself to you. If I could have a day without no worries, maybe I'd figure out a way to stay. I cannot wait until you hear my story. If I could have a day without no worries. Tick tock, the clock keeps ticking. I don't know what I should do, and I wish you would be right here with me. My mind is filled with pictures of when we used to dance, but now I don't know where you are. I missed you so bad, won't you come back to me? I've got you in my head, you're all that I see. I've lost all my chances, I know that I am too late. I'm thinking of you, I'm thinking of you, I'm thinking of you. Wondering if you're thinking about me too. Now it's too late, now it's too late. I'm out of time, but I'm still thinking of you. My heart keeps on bleeding. I have scars, the ones not healing. They're all there because of you. It's my fault, I messed it up, and I should have you so bad, won't you come back to me? I've got you in my head, you're all that I see. I've lost all my chances, I know that I am too late. I'm thinking of you, I'm thinking of you, I'm thinking of you, wondering if you're thinking about me too. Now it's too late, I know it's too late. I'm out of time, but I'm still thinking of you. Tick tock, the clock keeps ticking. Don't know what I should do. I wish you would be right here with me. I'm thinking of you, thinking of you.
Okay, so this is all the boxes and stuff from some of Hunter's gifts that he got. I'm gonna break these boxes down really quick and bag them up so I can take them to the dump when I go later.
Wondering if you're thinking about me too. Now it's too late, now it's too late. I'm out of time, but I'm still. Never thought it would be so hard. I grew up without a scar, just living my life with no big worries. And I've always known what I want, just didn't know what came along. Finding myself a much less happy. Back in the days I used to dream about one day a life so amazing, not everyone judging me. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open, 'cause if I shut down, it just gives them right. I wanna stay wide open. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. I wanna stay wide open. Can't stand to hear more today. I'm gonna lock my door and stay inside or wait until I'm safe again. I have nothing more to put on. I'm defeated and withdrawn, just trying to.
Okay, I'm gonna attempt to do this Aldi haul really quick if my kids will be quiet enough for me. It is really just a small Aldi haul for the week. Like I said, I have a lot of our meal stuff for dinner still. I just needed some like filler items. So I got a block of cream cheese because we have bagels, but we don't have any more cream cheese. A dozen eggs, bananas. I thought I got like a whole bunch of bananas, but I don't know. I guess I only ordered 3. Strawberries, green grapes, non-fat Greek yogurt, vanilla flavor, I think. Yeah, vanilla flavor. The boys like this with their breakfast, and I put like sprinkles in it because everything's better with sprinkles. Some coffee creamer, the caramel macchiato. I've never tried this from Aldi, but I'm gonna give it a shot. Cheese sticks, some marshmallow fudge cookies. The boys loved these last time. Aldi's Lucky Charms, And I got some tomato basil chicken sausages. I'm gonna try these for lunch for me. A can of chicken to make chicken salad for my husband for lunch one day. Some Danimal smoothies. Some 4 cheese, like Italian sauce, as I'm gonna make meatballs for the boys. Mac and cheese, and then some of, I assume this is like Aldi's hamburger helper, the ultimate cheeseburger, and the beef stroganoff. My husband loves the stroganoff hamburger helper, and I just feel like they look good, and they're easy meals. Everybody eats them. So, fruit roll-ups, the tattoo ones, the tongue tattoos, red beans and rice, and then some beef snack sticks. I thought these were like Slim Jims, but I don't know. If the boys don't like them, my husband will. Some cup of noodles. Let me know down below if you love cup of noodles, because I do too, and I totally forgot about them until Emma had some like last week or something, and I was like, I need to get some of those. Side note, the ice maker is making ice, so that's exciting. And then I got some popsicles, ice pops, whatever you call them, because we were all out. Some 0 sugar red Gatorade, a snack pack of the Aldi's chips. They're all really good. Some onions. I got these last week in my order, and they do taste like Funyuns. I think I prefer these to like the regular Funyuns, and the kids like them also. Pack of paper towels, whole milk, applesauce pouches for my little guy, ranch dressing and Italian dressing mix, some vanilla pudding and chocolate pudding cups, mandarin oranges and peaches, and then some strawberry applesauces for the big boys. And I also got deodorant. I don't prefer this kind of deodorant, but I was shopping at Aldi, and there's only limited stuff that you can get from Aldi, so that's what I got. And then this pile of stuff right here, they gave me a bag that didn't belong to me, and this is all the stuff in it. And I tried calling. Apparently their numbers are unlisted to keep staffing down to a minimum. So I went onto the app and tried to do it like I would with Walmart, like a chat or whatever. The only option they have is to mail them a letter or to email them. So I did that, but I guess we're keeping this stuff because I'm not running back up to the store with all the kids. And I don't think once I've like received it that they can restock it back into the store or give it to someone else. So it is all stuff that we'll eat and we will put into good use. So we'll see what they say when they email me back. But yeah, I made sure I had everything that I ordered, and I do. And this was just an extra bag in there. So it sucks for someone else, but hopefully they realize it before they load that person's groceries up so they can get everything they wanted. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and put these groceries away. The big boys are outside playing. Hunty's over there playing. Oh, I also got this little thing from Aldi. Hold on. What are you doing, Bubba? Got this little bug zapper, like tennis racket thing. It was only $4.99 in like the Aldi Find section, and figured it might be fun for the boys to kill some flies with it. And flies are really bad in our house. They're actually not as bad as I thought they would be, because every time we have a party, people are in and out of our sliding glass door, and we get flies like terrible. And I'm all out of like the fly like trap strips, but they're really not that bad, surprisingly. So we're gonna get all these groceries put away, and then I don't know. The boys, we already had lunch and everything, so let's get this put away. First, I want to show you guys my refrigerator because oh my goodness, it's so full from party leftovers. So I think for dinner tonight, I'm gonna do leftovers. This is sloppy joe and baked beans. I'm gonna pop those into the crock pot. Maybe I'll do that really quick to get it out of the refrigerator, and then we'll have that and like the cold salads for dinner tonight, and then we'll just toss everything after that since we're about sick of them.
How come come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are? What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. I wonder. How come the trees get undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes? Until winter comes. Until winter comes. Makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder.
So it is a few hours later after the grocery store. It's about 5:30. The boys are back here playing. Braden's in his room, but the younger two are back here playing. I think we might go outside for a little bit until we're ready to eat dinner. My husband is on his way home from work right now. And the sun is out finally. I thought it was supposed to rain all day, but we didn't get any rain all day. It was cloudy earlier, but I think I might go. I'll put some water in Hunter's water table on the front porch and let him play for a little bit. I'll show you guys how dinner's looking. Everything is warmed up and ready to eat. We're gonna eat leftovers tonight from Hunter's party. We have some salads and stuff, and then after that. Sorry, they're being loud. After that, I'm going to toss all the leftovers because we're about sick of them. What are you boys doing? What are you doing, honey bunny? Are you a 1-year-old? Hi, Nurse. Are you a 1-year-old? Yeah, you are. Oh. Does Don have all your toys? I'm playing with all your new toys. These are the toys I have to figure out what to do with. I think I'm obviously gonna put some in his room, but what?
Well, can you leave me my toys?
Why? Those are his toys. Yeah, but he can still play. I can still play with it. Yay! Yay!
Hannah.
All right, thank you. Is it on? It's not on, baby. Can you turn it more? Would you?
Because it's not on. It's not all the way down.
Wait, hold on.
the stars come to shine when it's dark? From so far away, show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night? And what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. I wonder. How come the trees get undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes? Until winter comes. Until winter comes. Makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder. Stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder. Oh, I just wonder. Wonder. Yeah, I wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Ooh, it makes me wonder. I got blood on my hands right now, and I'm stumbling through the dark in the dawn. I have found new ways, but no, I can't be the one that you need. Then I changed my mind. Maybe we got time to make this right. Can I be the one that you need? Maybe if I change the way I love it, maybe if I try to fix this start, then I could have stayed the night, I could have called you mine. If I change the way I
it's the end of the vlog. I showed you guys a little bit of our dinner and some of us playing a game that Brayden made up that he's been dying to play. So we played that for a little bit as a family. Now it's time for this little guy to go to bed. The big boys will go to bed in about like a half hour. They're actually being loud right out here right now. But this afternoon after Hunter woke up from his second nap, we went outside. We came back in and he was just feeling really warm and cranky. Took his temperature, it was 102.1, so I gave him some Tylenol. I think he's just teething. He has one of his top teeth coming in because he's definitely feeling better after dinner and bath time. Gave him some Tylenol, a frozen yogurt stick. Oh, no. And then some dinner. Yeah, I'm going in the bath and play. And now he's gonna drink his bottle and we're gonna go sleepy, huh?
Okay.
I don't know if I told you guys or not, but he took his first step yesterday on his birthday. He just grown up and he slept all through the night last night for the first time. So I guess he just needed to turn 1 to become a big boy. Don't you do it, you're gonna grab it again. Look, who's that baby? Who is that baby? Mwah. Alright, well I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me today, and I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye guys.
That you need. Then I changed my mind.